Fascia works under the laws of tensegrity, tension and integrity, meaning that your bones are merely floating within your fascia. And when your bones are floating within your fascia, what does that mean? It means that they are determined by the health of your fascia. Because in a balanced tensegrity model here, if you imagine the sticks as being the bones, the strings as being the fascia, then in a perfect tensegrity system, everything is aligned, everything can move in coordination. But if we have restrictions within the fascia, then you can see how it doesn't just reorganize locally, but it reorganizes the entire system. This is only 5 sessions in 20-something days, where you can see the S-shaped scoliosis spine is being fully resolved in a matter of a few hours. And this is possible because of the principle that I just told you about, that fascia can be remodeled, right? So just as it can be restricted and